In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lose 10 to 15 kilograms, build muscle, drop body fat, build more confidence and get in the best shape of your life, all within 90 days and beyond, with a setup that is guaranteed to succeed. That setup has helped people just like Charles here completely transform his life. Right now, you've probably already got the gym membership, you're putting in the effort, maybe you tried tracking calories, following a plan you found on the internet, and it's probably not working the way you'd hoped if you're watching this now. You're still not sure how much you should be eating, whether you should be doing weights or cardio, it's weights by the way, and you're still unsure how the rest of your lifestyle needs to line up around it. It's not a lack of effort, it's a lack of direction, and it's why you're frustrated. It's why you're annoyed at the speed of your results. It's why you're frustrated that you know you can see more progress than you're currently getting. And why should you listen to me? Because I've got first-hand experience of what to do and what not to do. I grew up short, skinny, no muscle, no confidence, no real direction either. I've also been overweight, out of shape, failing to bulk properly because I thought I just needed to eat everything inside. Now, I'm still short, but I'm lean, I've got more muscle, way more confident, and way happier. Spent many years of my life working in Michelin-star restaurants, 5-star hotels, places with incredibly high standards, places where sloppy work just is not tolerated, and I've taken that same work ethic and same approach to my diet and my training and to that of my clients. Most coaches hand you a generic plan and say, good luck, off you go. That does not work for me because it does not take into account your job, your lifestyle, your schedule, your food preferences, your training history. All of that is specific to yourself, so the plans need to be as well. I don't do that. Every plan is built around you specifically and it's adjusted weekly based on data. That's the difference between guessing your way to a result and being guided towards one. Everything I do with clients runs through one system. 3 pillars: clarity, plan, and assess. Most people get a vague idea of what they want to do. Eat healthier, get fitter, eat cleaner. So instead we get specific. Exact target, exact numbers, exact time frame. For Charles, his entire mindset changed when he knew exactly what he was aiming for, when and why. We take that goal and we make it into a week-by-week roadmap. Your nutrition numbers get set properly so you have the fuel for your workouts. Your training gets built around progressive resistance work rather than cardio, which isn't going to get you the results you're after. It's all presented clearly for an easy-to-use client-only coaching app, so accessing and assessing the plans and the progress is very simple. Also, where the trust gets built, you're not just handed a plan and left alone to deal with it. You're supported and it's adjusted week by week, which is exactly why clients like Jack can be consistent and make substantial progress like he has in the last 7 weeks of his bulk. We stay in contact throughout the week. You're not waiting days for a reply. Then you get a full review and a plan for the following week, so there's never any doubt what's next. Most people mess up here. They either never review anything at all or they start changing stuff just because of one bad week. Neither approach works. You need a calm and consistent process. You need to be adjusting based on evidence, not emotions. That is how we take you from where you're currently at to where you want to get to. Get these 3 things correct: clarity, a proper plan, and an honest weekly review, and you have everything you need to get in the best shape of your life. That's the exact process behind Charles, Jack's, and many other people's transformations. It's the process behind my own transformation. You're not doing it alone. You have someone in your corner guiding the decisions based on data rather than emotion, which makes all the difference when motivation dips, because it will at some point. That's completely normal. So if you're ready to stop guessing and you want to follow an actual plan, then click the link below, book in a free call, we'll chat about your goals, where you're currently at and what's holding you back. If you decide that you're ready to gain that confidence and change your physique, brilliant, we'll get you started and you're one step closer. If you decide it's not for you, that's absolutely fine as well. At least you'll leave the call with a better understanding of what it is you need to do to achieve your goal. So whether we work together or not, you'll still leave the call with a lot of value. Click that button, book in a call today. Speak soon.